Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to GFX English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex. It's great to be here today.
It's wonderful to have you here, Alex. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for joining us today. We are really happy you are here.
Yes, we really are. And today we have a very useful topic for you all.
We do. So, Alex, are you ready for today's topic?
I am very ready, Emily. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are going to talk about returning a broken item to a shop.
Oh, this is such an important topic. It happens to everyone.
It really does. You buy something, you get home, and then you discover it is broken or damaged.
Or maybe it does not work properly, or maybe it is not what you expected.
Exactly. And knowing what to say in English in that situation is so important.
Yes, it can feel a little uncomfortable, but with the right words, it is actually very simple.
Yes. And after today, you will feel very confident handling the situation in English.
Absolutely. No more feeling nervous or not knowing what to say.
And before we begin, please remember to subscribe to our channel, GFX English Learning Mentor Channel.
Yes, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English. It really helps us so much.
It truly does. Okay, Alex, let's start from the very beginning.
Let's go. I am ready.
So, first things first, before you go back to the store, what should you do?
Great question. First, you should find your receipt.
Your receipt, yes. We talked about this in our shopping episode. The receipt is the piece of paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Yes, always keep your receipt. It is very important when you want to return something.
Very important tip. And what else should you do before going back to the store?
You should bring the item back in its original packaging if possible.
Original packaging, yes. That means the box or bag the item came in when you bought it.
Exactly. Stores prefer it when you return something in its original packaging.
And it is also a good idea to know exactly what is wrong with the item.
Yes, so you can explain clearly to the shop assistant.
Exactly. You need to describe the problem. So, let's practice some phrases for describing what is wrong.
Good idea. So you might say, this item is broken.
This item is broken. Simple and clear.
Or you can say, this is not working properly.
This is not working properly. Very natural.
Or, there is a crack in it.
A crack, yes. A crack is a thin line or break on the surface of something.
Like a cracked screen on a phone, or a crack in a cup.
Exactly. Or you might say, it stopped working after one day.
It stopped working after one day. Oh, that is very frustrating.
Very frustrating, yes. And you might also say, there is a piece missing.
A piece missing, yes. Sometimes you open a box and something is not inside.
Exactly. Or the color is coming off.
The color is coming off, yes. Like paint or dye that fades or peels.
So we have many ways to describe a problem with an item. It is broken, it is not working properly, there is a crack in it, it stopped working, there is a piece missing, the color is coming off.
All very useful phrases for explaining the problem clearly.
Now, let's talk about what to say when you walk into the store.
Okay, so you walk in, you find a shop assistant, and first, you get their attention politely.
Yes, you say, excuse me. Always start with excuse me.
Excuse me. Yes, very polite and very natural.
And then you explain why you are there. You can say, I would like to return this item, please.
I would like to return this item, please. Very polite and clear.
Or you can say, I bought this here yesterday and it is broken.
I bought this here yesterday and it is broken. Direct and simple.
Or,
I would like to make a complaint about this product.
Make a complaint. Yes, a complaint is when you tell someone officially that something is wrong.
Exactly. And the shop assistant will likely say, I am sorry to hear that. Can I see the item?
Can I see the item? Yes, they will want to look at it.
And then they might ask, do you have your receipt?
Always have your receipt ready at this point.
Yes. You hand them the receipt and say, yes, here is my receipt.
Here is my receipt. Simple and prepared.
Now, after the shop assistant looks at the item, what happens next?
Well, there are usually 3 options. A refund, an exchange, or a repair.
3 important words: refund, exchange, and repair. Let's talk about each one.
Okay, first, a refund. A refund means you get your money back.
Yes, you return the broken item and the store gives you back the money you paid.
To ask for a refund, you can say, I would like a refund, please.
I would like a refund, please. Very clear and polite. Or, can I get my money back, please? Can I get my money back, please? Also very natural.
Yes, both phrases are perfectly fine to use.
Now, the second option, an exchange.
An exchange means you return the broken item and get a new one instead.
Yes, a replacement, the same item, but not broken.
To ask for an exchange, you can say, can I exchange this for a new one, please?
Can I exchange this for a new one, please? Perfect.
Or, I would like to swap this for a replacement, please.
Swap. Yes, swap means exchange. Very casual and natural word.
Yes, swap is very commonly used in everyday English.
And the third option, a repair.
A repair means the store fixes the broken item for you.
Yes, they do not give you money back, and they do not replace it. They fix it.
This is more common with bigger items like electronics or appliances.
Appliances, yes, things like a washing machine, a kettle, or a toaster.
Exactly. You might say, can this be repaired, please?
Can this be repaired, please? Very polite way to ask.
Or, is it possible to fix this?
Is it possible to fix this? Also very natural.
Yes, both are good options.
Now, sometimes the shop assistant might say something that is a little difficult to hear.
Oh, like what?
Like, I am sorry, but we cannot accept this return.
Oh, that is not what you want to hear.
No, but it can happen. Maybe the return period has ended.
Return period. Yes, most stores have a return period. For example, 30 days.
Yes, it means you can only return something within 30 days of buying it.
After 30 days, the store may not accept the return.
But if the item is genuinely broken or faulty, you usually have more rights.
Faulty. Yes, faulty means it has a defect. It did not work properly from the beginning.
Exactly. And in many countries, you have the right to return a faulty item even after the return period.
That is important to know. Your consumer rights.
Consumer rights, yes. Those are your rights as a customer when you buy something.
Very important vocabulary. Consumer rights.
So if the shop assistant says they cannot accept the return, you can politely say, I understand, but this item was faulty when I bought it.
I understand, but this item was faulty when I bought it. Very firm but polite.
Or, I bought this 3 days ago and it stopped working. I would like to speak to the manager, please.
Speak to the manager.
Yes, if the shop assistant cannot help you, you can ask for the manager. Always politely.
You say, could I speak to the manager, please?
Could I speak to the manager, please? Very polite and very effective.
Yes, the manager usually has more authority to solve the problem.
That is a good tip. Stay calm and polite. Always.
Always. Being polite is the most important thing, even if you are frustrated.
Yes, a calm and polite customer always gets better results.
Absolutely.
Now, let's do a full role play. Alex, you be the shop assistant. I will be the customer returning a broken item. Perfect. I am ready. Hello, welcome. How can I help you today? Hi, excuse me. I would like to return this kettle, please. Oh, I am sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I bought it 2 days ago, but it stopped working this morning. It does not heat up at all.
I see. Do you have your receipt with you?
Yes, here is my receipt.
Thank you. And do you have the original packaging?
Yes, I have the box here as well.
Perfect. Let me take a look. Yes, I can see the problem. The item appears to be faulty. Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I would like an exchange, please. Can I get a new one?
Of course. I will get you a new kettle right away. I am very sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
Not at all. Here is your new kettle. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that is everything. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
That was perfect, Alex. A very smooth and polite return.
It was, and we used so many great phrases in that conversation.
Yes, let's review all the key phrases we learned today. Excuse me, I would like to return this item, please. I bought this here and it is broken. It is not working properly. There is a crack in it. It stopped working. There is a piece missing. Here is my receipt. I would like a refund, please. Can I get my money back, please? Can I exchange this for a new one, please? Can this be repaired, please? This item was faulty when I bought it. Could I speak to the manager, please? I appreciate your help. I am sorry for the inconvenience.
That is a fantastic list of phrases, all very natural and very useful for real-life situations.
Yes, and remember the 3 golden rules when returning something. Stay calm, be polite, and always bring your receipt.
3 golden rules. Stay calm, be polite, bring your receipt. Perfect. If you follow those 3 rules, returning something to a store will always go smoothly. Yes, even if something goes wrong, staying calm and polite makes everything easier. Absolutely. And now you have all the vocabulary and phrases you need to handle this situation confidently in English. Yes, no more feeling nervous or not knowing what to say. You are prepared. And we have a fun question for all of you today. Yes, go to the comments below and tell us, have you ever returned something to a store? What happened?
Yes, write 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, I returned a broken phone to a store last year. Or, I have never returned anything to a store before.
We would love to read your stories. It will be so interesting.
Yes, it will. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope this episode was helpful and practical.
It was a wonderful episode, Emily. Very useful for real life.
It really was. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for being part of our GFX English Learning Channel family. We appreciate every single one of you.
Yes, please subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who is learning English.
Until next time, keep practicing your English every single day. You are doing so well. Goodbye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Emily.
Good luck with your returns.